After Durga Puja, Christmas is probably the most celebrated festival in Kolkata. The hub of Kolkata, Park Street, gets all decked up with trees and lights. Allen Park on Park Street is the main venue where the cultural functions, including choirs and live bands, take place. The park is decorated with dioramas of nativity scenes. Park Street itself takes on the look of an open-air carnival. Festivities start from 21st December and run till 30th December. The area is decorated with fairy lights and illuminated panels and giant Christmas trees. Christmas and Park Street both are synonym to each other in Kolkata. Live performances at Allen Park, food extravaganza, curtsy food kiosks dishing up an array of items, crowds of people, loud music and songs, different stalls selling Christmas goodies, the beautiful twinkling lights, makes Park Street the most lit up place in Kolkata, is a must watch. Bow Barracks will be lit up from 21st December for the Kolkata Christmas Festival, as it is part of the illumination plan for the carnival every year. Expect food stalls selling cakes and homemade wines. A visit to the Bow Barracks during Christmas time will surely bring you into the Christmas mood. Irrespective of their religious beliefs, a large number of people in Kolkata flock to the midnight mass at St. Paul's Cathedral. One of Kolkata's popular attraction, this cathedral, built in Indo-Gothic style between 1839 and 1847, is illuminated during Christmas and also sets up a nativity scene. Come to Kolkata and enjoy Christmas vibes from Park Street to Bow Barracks. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of our viewers.
Please like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe our channel. Press bell icon to see updates on our latest videos.